guys, it's Hannah here, and today I have some very exciting Happy Mail to share with you. I am still subscribed to the Happie Scrappie planner subscription, but this month for the February kit, I actually upped my subscription a bit because instead of just being subscribed to the planner kit in the A5 size, I also added the sticker kit to kind of get more out of each month. Plus you get like the full set of stickers, which a lot of the times I usually end up buying anyway from the Happie Scrappie website. So yeah, I figured I might as well just get it a little bit cheaper in the subscription. Plus you always get a few extra goodies when you're subscribed as well. But that's not even the most exciting part because, my goodness, this theme is called Bowtiful. Like beautiful, but it's like bows, Bowtiful. And it's gorgeous. There's so many pretty colors. There's foiling, there's bows. I mean, come on. It's everything you could ever need, pretty much. So I have been waiting pretty impatiently actually for this to come in the mail. Alright, so let's just open it and see what it looks like. Alright. Oh, and I love that she had two different envelopes to put it in. So like I said, these are the envelopes, and I love the envelope that she sends everything in because these are just really unique and pretty, and you can actually reuse them to store stuff in, which I love. So I'm trying to decide which one I should open first. I do believe this is the sticker one, since it's a bit thinner than this one, since this one, it's more stuff in this, I guess. So should I open the stickers first? Since I haven't opened one of the sticker kits ever, since I haven't had any of them. So I'm actually really excited to see what actually it all comes with. So I'm gonna start with this one. Here we go. I love this envelope. It's so pretty. The colors are so pretty. Totally reminds me of spring. There we go. And then, oh my goodness. Like, hallelujah. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So I do believe, yes, there was a little thing here, which I'm gonna take out. This is like a little freebie, or maybe they always come with a little charm. Yes, this month it's included a little bow charm, and I mean, it's perfect, and it's black and gold. I love black and gold, so I love this one so much. Okay, so I can't decide which I'm gonna go through first. Maybe I should just take the stickers first, since this is actually the main thing in the kit. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, look at that foiling. Oh, it's like a pink foil. Do you see that? That's really unique. Ah, and all the bows. There's so many different kinds of bows. And this little cup, like the planner girl, kind of a pen cup, she's gorgeous. I love the design. It's like a little washi strip here of like bow washi. Hint, hint, simply gilded maybe, I don't know. And this kind of plaid effect, or maybe it's like gingham. I am not very good at words sometimes, but then there's just bows, bows, bows overload. And I love it so much. And the pale pinks and the, oh, I'm in love with this. Okay, so then, oh, this one's upside down. But we have some checklists. Oh, these are so pretty. My goodness. And here we have the day covers, weekend banners. So pretty. I love also here you get like two little extra bows on each sheet. That is really awesome. And then let's see here. Here's like deco and functional circular icons. This color scheme is so pretty. I love it. And there's this little girl again. And there's berry corn. I love berry corn. And all the bows, just all of the bows. I mean, everybody in this planner world loves bows. That's pretty obvious. Oh, and here we have the half boxes and some checklists and some flags and some habit trackers, just all the goodness, everything you need. Oh, this one's upside down again. What I love about this, what you see here, is that I feel like you could cut this and use as like a washi strip. That would be really awesome. I mean, it's all on sticker paper, so technically you can use all of it. Here we have the headers. Ooh, these flags are gorgeous. And the little hearts, that's so pretty. I love it so much. This is really springy to me with the pastels too, which is perfect since we're actually coming into spring now. And oh my goodness. Oh, here we also have the actual washi strips. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. Everything is so pretty. And that was everything. Okay, so then we have another exciting thing, which is brand new for this kit. She actually included papers. Like, papers that you can do whatever you want with. And look at this. Look at this. This design, when Sam sneak peeked this on Instagram with the colorful pastel bows and this kind of white and pink background with kind of almost like a scallop, not really, but I almost died. I actually said, oh, I would love these as papers, because I think she was sneak peeking them as like planner covers for the Erin Condren kit, which I don't have an Erin Condren, so she was asking something about that kit, and I was like, oh, I want to see these as papers because I don't have an Erin Condren, and I mean, I love this design so much and I really want to be able to use it somehow. She actually made papers. I don't know if it was because of me or maybe other people suggested it. Maybe they had planned it from the beginning. Who knows? But I'm just so happy that they did this because I love it so much. And look, it's actually big. It's like A4 size, but it's folded. And look at the inside too, it's gorgeous. But what I love about this is that if you cut it where it's folded, you have like an A5 dashboard, or you can cut it to size to whatever planner size you have. For me personally, I feel like I'm gonna use 1/2 for my A5, and maybe I'm even gonna make an A6 dashboard. Or I mean personal. Because I can do that, and with the leftovers you can use them for other projects too. So it's just great. I love this so much. Thank you, Sam, for actually making this. It makes my heart flutter. I love and I adore these designs and the colors. Definitely my favorite kit that she's ever made so far. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, there's 2? Wait, is it the same? Yeah, it is the same. My gosh, it's the same. You get 2 of them? Oh, that's so awesome. Oh my goodness, this way I can do so much with these. I'm so happy now. If I get more in this one, I'm gonna have enough for a lifetime, it feels like. Oh my gosh, but that's so awesome. This way I won't have to buy any extras because I already have them. I mean, I might buy extras anyway because I might use them all up real quick, who knows. But we also do get vellums. Foiled vellum. These are also folded, so you can see the inside here. I love this so much. And vellums, I love vellum. It's so fun to play with. We also get this. It's another vellum, but it's a different type of bow, as you can see. And I love that they're foiled. I love that they're foiled. It's so pretty. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, we get 2 of everything. That's amazing. So we have this one with the holographic silver bows. You see that? So cool. Ooh, and the inside. Oh, these colors are so pretty. I have to do something with this right away. And there's the same like this one. So, this is so awesome. I do like that these ones are not exactly the same though, because you get some variation. Oh my goodness though. Like I said, if there's even more of the papers in here, I'm gonna have enough for a lifetime. But I love it so much. I'm so happy. Okay, so that was this sticker kit, everything that came with it, and oh my goodness, I love it. I'm definitely gonna keep subscribing to the sticker kit because I love that you get so many stickers. Usually there's like 3 sheets or something in the planner kit, but now I am going to open the planner kit for my A5 planner. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's in here. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, oh, there's the pen too. Right, I almost forgot. Oh, it's a pink pen. Wow, that's awesome. Ooh, I don't dare to pronounce that. Sucre or something? I don't know. It looks like a really nice, fine-tipped gel pen or something. I'm gonna have to try that out. But it's pink. I love pink. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yes. So, oh, there's a lot of goodies in here. Oh, there's a lot of goodies in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But there's another charm. Oh, so now I have 2. Maybe I can make something with one of them and make something else with the other one, if that makes any sense. Or I can just give one away too. Okay, so then something really awesome that Sam has made are these little bow tabs. And these are, is it gold or rose gold foiled? Maybe it's something in between. I think they're gold foiled, but these are so gorgeous. So what you do is, if you have like a dashboard or dividers, that's what I could do with these too. I can make a bunch of dividers with the papers here. I'm just gonna take one of these. Let's say this is your divider, and then you have one of these. And then you just fold it like this. And that way you can have your tabs and they look like bows peeking out at the side. I mean, how cute is that? And if you have it like this, you can see it from both ways too. It's so cute and I love this idea. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. That's really awesome. I love it so much. And then we get a couple of die cuts. Oh my gosh. Like this whole kit is so me. I love it so much. This is a little pink purse with a little heart. It looks like a Kate Spade purse, I think. I think they have something similar with a big bow on the front. It's gorgeous though. And there's also this little girl cup. So pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't say that enough. And let's see here. These are the stickers that we get in the planner kit. So it's just a bunch of all kinds of stuff. Really useful though. And there's this sheet. Let's see if I get any doubles since... No, wait. So if you get both, does that mean you get the whole complete set of no doubles? Because that would be awesome. I think it is. Oh my gosh. So, oh, that's so great. I love it so much. Oh, okay. This is so awesome. So I have a lot of these stickers now, which I love so much. It's perfect. It's just perfect. And then there's more in here, and ooh, I do spot more of the bows. Oh, it's tied in here. There we go. Let's see here. I'm just gonna go through the papers once again since we have seen them already. They're probably the same. The inside is the same. So yeah, I have, let's see, 3 and 4. I have 4 of these now. Oh, I love it so much. That's amazing. These are just the same too. And we also, oh yes, we do have the vellums again. I really don't mind though, because I love having backups. That usually makes me not as afraid to use what I have, because I know I have backups. Actually, I have 4 of each, which is awesome. I love it. Okay, so here is the bookmark of the month. Oh, look at that. Be your own kind of beautiful. That's so pretty. I love that. And this side is really pretty too. This whole theme is very chic, but also cute and just really pretty and feminine at the same time. I love it so much. So nice. And here we have the dashboard. Oh yes! This, I think I saw this on Sam's Instagram and I was just hoping that it would be in one of my kits. Because she has a lot of different kits, she kind of moves it around a little bit. So not every kits get the exact same stuff. But I did get this dashboard. Oh, I am definitely gonna use this one. I love it so much. Oh, the colors, so pretty. And all the bows. And this side is gorgeous as well. Here you can see the difference in coloring though. This one has a bit more different colors and this one is more of the pink. But I mean, I love both so much. Oh, I'm so happy now. It's like my life is complete, you know? And then here we have the papers and stuff. But first, ooh. Oh, so these are some date covers. We get like 4 sets of... Like, so 4 weeks you can use this. That's awesome. These are rose gold foiled. So pretty. So here we have the papers. So first, there's the to-dos. We have the bow checklists. Gorgeous. Love this little cup again. Ooh, and this side is gorgeous too. Look at that green. This is so springy and cute. I love it so much. So then we have these. These are the dot grid ones. In case you can't see, here's the dot grid and the other side. Oh, these are all so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. Let's see. These must be week on 2 page. Yeah. My goodness, this is gorgeous. I love it so much. I love it so much. Okay, so last but not least is this. Let's see. What is this? There's like 7 columns here, so you can have week on 1 page here if you want to. If you do it like this, you have like week on 1 page and maybe notes here or something. I'm not really sure, actually. If you have any suggestions, you can always leave them in the comments below to help me out. Alright guys, so this was everything for this video. I absolutely love every single thing in this kit. It's gorgeous, and I think I'm gonna have to go to the Happie Scrappie website and look at the things that I didn't get from this collection, because I just love everything so much. And I might get extras of some things, because yeah, like I said, this is definitely my favorite Happie Scrappie kit so far. I love it so much. The colors, the theme, the style overall, the design. I'm so impressed and I love everything. And also, like I said, I'm gonna try the pen, which I did here. And it's not pink ink, it's actually just a regular black gel pen. but it writes really smooth and nicely, and the fact that it's pink, I love it. But I love the fact that it writes in black because it makes it more versatile. But yeah, now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up if you want to, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!